Hello students, the purpose of this video is to get you acquainted with polynomials and factoring and make sure you feel comfortable working with polynomials. We're going to start out by talking about some vocabulary. We have polynomials, monomials, binomials, and trinomials. And the key words within each of these are their prefixes. If you notice the very first one, we have polynomial, and polynomial simply means that you are going to have multiple terms. If I use the word monomial, you see the prefix monomial, it means one term. Binomial has the prefix bi, meaning two, and trinomial has the prefix tri, meaning three. Therefore, you have three terms. Again, polynomial means many, and there are some things that we can identify within a polynomial. The first thing is a polynomial's degree. The highest exponent within that polynomial is the degree of the polynomial. You can actually then name that polynomial by its degree. So the example here is of the fourth degree. The coefficient corresponding to the variable with the highest degree is called your leading coefficient. It makes sense because it is in front, therefore it is leading the entire polynomial. However, if you are not given a polynomial that is in descending degree order, it may not necessarily be in the front. So you want to make sure you look across the entire polynomial to ensure that the highest degree term is in fact at the front. Each of the terms has a variable that is titled x in this case, and you could have x's, y's, z's, anything, but these are referred to as your variables. And then the term that does not contain a variable is called your constant term. So the constant term is just a plain number. Each respective sign, their coefficient, and variable makes up what we call a term. So you want to make sure that you're counting the sign, the coefficient, along with the variable and its exponent. And all of that together makes a term. You'll notice that each of these terms are separated by either a positive or a negative sign because that's what lets us know that we have different term values. So in this case, this polynomial of the fourth degree with a leading coefficient of 3 contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms. And if the exponents go in descending degree order, 4, 3, 2, there's an understood 1, and then my constant term, this is called standard form. So we prefer to put our polynomials in descending degree order. Who cares about any of this? Well, the point of learning the parts of a polynomial function is so that we can begin working with binary operations on our polynomials. The size is not going to matter, so we'll work with monomials, binomials, trinomials, and regular polynomials. So that is it for this video. I hope this provided you with a good introduction of polynomials, and as always, if you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out.